Welcome to English with Steve.
Welcome to English with Steve, the place where you learn English for real-life conversations. Today, we're looking at a story where two friends head to the pharmacy for some health reasons. And whether you've been to a pharmacy or not, this is one of those places you may end up in, and you need to know exactly what to say. So as you watch, make sure you pick up the useful English phrases because these are ones you can actually use the next time you're in that situation. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because this is where we make English make sense. All right, let's get into it.
Hey, Jessica, here we are, City Med Pharmacy.
Oh, wow, it looks really nice. Very clean and modern.
Yes, I have walked past it many times, but this is my first time coming inside.
Same here. I usually go somewhere else, but I heard the staff here are very helpful.
That is good. And by the way, I called earlier and booked as an appointment.
You did? That is so helpful. Thank you.
Of course, I like to be prepared.
And I always forget things like that.
That is why we are a good team.
So, why did you want to come today?
Nothing serious. I have been feeling tired lately, so I want to check my blood pressure.
How long have you felt like this?
About 2 weeks. Even after sleeping, I still feel tired.
You should definitely check that.
Yes, better to be safe.
Actually, I have not been feeling great either. I have had headaches and allergy symptoms.
Do you think it is a cold?
No, probably allergies. My nose is runny and my eyes are itchy.
Allergy season is the worst.
It really is. I also need to pick up my prescription.
Perfect. We can do everything at once.
Are you nervous about the checkup?
A little. I always get nervous with medical things.
Do not worry. It is simple, and it is better to know early if something is wrong.
That is true. Knowledge is power.
Exactly. Let us go in.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. We have an appointment.
Your names, please?
Marcus Johnson, and this is Jessica Carter.
Welcome. How can I help today?
I need to pick up a prescription for allergies.
Do you have a runny nose, itchy eyes, or sneezing?
Yes, exactly.
I will prepare that for you. Can you confirm your date of birth?
March 15th, 1996.
Thank you. And you, Marcus?
I would like a blood pressure check. I have been feeling tired and sometimes dizzy.
That could be related to blood pressure or vitamins. We will check both.
I was also wondering about vitamin D.
Yes, it helps with energy. Many people do not get enough sunlight.
I work indoors all day, so that might be the problem.
That is very common. Even a little sunlight each day helps. Let us go to the consultation room. Please sit comfortably. I will check your blood pressure.
Sure.
Relax and stay still. Your reading is 120/80.
Is that good?
That is perfect. Nothing to worry about.
That is a relief.
Let us talk about your tiredness. What is your routine?
I sleep around midnight and wake up at 6:30.
That is not enough sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours.
So I should sleep earlier?
Yes, even 1 extra hour helps. Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes, I do.
That can make sleep harder. Try stopping 30 minutes before bed. Do you eat breakfast?
Not always.
That can cause tiredness. Try something simple like fruit or toast. Also, drink more water and reduce caffeine.
I drink a lot of coffee.
Try not to drink coffee after the afternoon.
I will try. Thank you.
Jessica, your antihistamine is 1 tablet daily. Take it at the same time each day.
Before or after food?
Either is fine, but after food is better if your stomach is sensitive.
When will I feel better?
Usually within 1 or 2 days, but complete the full course.
Even if I feel better early?
Yes, always finish the medicine.
Can I take it with paracetamol?
Yes, that is safe.
Can I buy vitamins here?
Of course, I will show you. Here is your prescription, Jessica.
Thank you.
Marcus, here are vitamin B12 and vitamin D.
How should I take them?
Take them with breakfast.
For how long?
At least 3 months. Jessica, your total is $12.50.
I will pay by card.
Marcus, your total is $18.90.
I will pay by card too.
Can I exercise while taking this medicine?
Yes, exercise is good and can help your symptoms.
That is good to know.
It was great meeting you both. Take care.
Thank you so much.
We will come back again.
And that is the end of today's episode. Marcus and Jessica visited a pharmacy and used clear English. They learned how to describe symptoms and ask questions. Practice these phrases every day. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson. Stay healthy.